Hey guys, it's Robert over at Bloomington Acura Subaru. Today, I'm going to do a quick walk around of this 2022 Acura NSX Type S in the Indy Yellow Pearl color. Let me see if I can adjust this a little bit to give you a more realistic color of this car because it is incredible. So I'm just going to do the outside. This car just came in. It has not gone through service yet, so we have it locked on the show floor manually. But this one, like I said, Indy Yellow Pearl. This is going to have the ebony interior with your red seat belts, red stitching, all of that. And for those of you guys who aren't familiar with an NSX Type S, I'm sure most of you guys will be, this is going to have the 3.5 liter twin turbo V6. It has 3 hybrid motors in it. So this car, which is one of 350 made, is going to have 600 horsepower in this. I mean, it's tiny. So this one, they did do the optional wheel package. You've got your red Brembo brakes on there. This one does also have the lightweight package. Now, because it is the NSX Type S, you have tons of carbon fiber goodies all around the car. So you can see we've got this carbon fiber front splitter down on the bottom. You've got carbon fiber sides over here. Up top, this one is number 204 of 350, which I don't know if you guys can see that well, but carbon engine cover. You've got, once again, white carbon for your spoiler on the deck lid. And then my favorite part is the rear of this car. Just massive, massive diffuser. You can see you've got the fins coming off of it. Really, really cool car in person. If I was able to unlock it, I would show you guys inside of it, which maybe I'll do another video for you, but hope you guys like this quick walk around video.